How to log into Shein account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into Shein account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a web browser or simply you can open Shein app. Click search bar, type in shein.com. Press enter on your keyboard. And then you will land on the official interface of Shein where you can click on the person-like icon in order to log in and click on sign in. Now you will land on the sign in or register section. If you already have an account, you can enter mobile number or email address, or you can continue with Google or Facebook to log into Shein. Or else, if not, you can also register first of all and sign into your account. First, enter your credential and click continue button, and after that, following the on-screen prompts, you can log into Shein account. That's all. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.